sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. I hope you guys welding a lot. If you guys new to this channel, your first time here, this is my Captain MANNY channel where I show you guys what my welding life is about. Ever since I graduated from welding school, I've been welding here and there, been going up and down. Right now I'm doing MIG welding, dual shield to be specific. So I don't upload every day. It's not a daily blog, but I'm trying to show you guys what I've been up to. So I'm trying to upload as much as I can. Today's video, guys, I'm just gonna show you what I just got from Amazon. This new welding hood I bought. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is my package that just came from Amazon. So we're gonna open it, see what's inside. Alright, like I said, this is a new welding hood. Very excited about it. I never got one of these before. Let's see what's in the box. Oh my gosh! I love it, the mother! Look at these. Danger! Alright, so there you go. It's my new Pancake welding hood. Damn, I love my shit. Made in the USA, that's right. Oh my gosh. I love it, the mother. It comes with a little sandpaper. See some videos where you have to sandpaper this one so it will fit you right. It has a little bandage right here. Danger, Will Robinson. I love the mother. So, I always wanted to get one of these. So I'll just scratch a little bit. It's no secret, guys. Like, a lot of you guys see my videos, or follow me, or subscribe to my channel. They know that my goal is to become a rig welder one day. So I already have my dually truck. All right, so we have the welding hood. I just need the welding machine and a little bit of equipment and hit the road. All right. I'll probably still need to practice more on the 80-10 rod, but you know, we'll get there. Hopefully we'll get there. So this is what just got Captain MANNY got. That's right. So I'm getting closer and closer, guys. For pipeline, better watch out. Captain MANNY's coming at you hot. It's coming you hot. All right. So this I ordered from Amazon, guys. It doesn't come with the lens, but I already ordered another one that I think it's here already. I bought the singles HD. Should be pretty good with this one. So I'm gonna make another video of me welding with this Pancake welding hood. All right. But for today, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon. My new Pancake welding hood. That's right. It wasn't used to be available on Amazon, guys. So if you didn't know where to get it, or if you want try one of these, they're now available on Amazon. All right. So that's it, guys, for today. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon. Oh my gosh, I love it, the mother. Blue Wendy's Pancake hood. That's right. Can't wait to try it. So that's it for today, guys. So stay tuned for more videos from Captain MANNY. Keep welding and stay safe out there. All right. Don't take any shortcuts, because then you get hurt. All right. See you next time. Adios. Bye.